Hi guys, my name is Delilah and welcome to my channel. Today I'm using my phone because I have the air on because it hugs balls, okay? It's like 35 degrees where I am right now and I'm dying. Okay, so the aircon stays on. So I wanted to try it on. Also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like and all the things. Also, I got a new stand. Well, my boyfriend got me a new stand for my camera. So now when I do this and I do this, it follows me. Isn't that cool? I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna be trying the Switch Energy Drink 10th birthday bubbles flavor. I'm gonna be burping for you guys today, and I'm gonna be talking nonsense like I always do. But I had a request because this was originally a channel dedicated to my other content. Okay, and one of those contents is, well, role playing, pretending that I eat people. Alright? It's a whole thing. Look it up. I can't say the word because then YouTube will take it down. Okay, so I've decided that I'm gonna gaslight my ChatGPT into thinking I actually ate someone. I swallowed them whole, and now I have a tummy ache and I don't know what to do. The hospital is like hours away, and I'm just scared. So I thought that would be really fun to do while I work for you guys. What do you think? This is so random. I know. But I was actually watching YouTube videos, and there was this dude who was gaslighting ChatGPT, and I thought that was hilarious. Anyway, I'm gonna put the mic here. Let's just hope and pray everything goes right. I don't want shitty sound quality in my video. So wish me luck. Hit that like, subscribe, and all those things. Sorry if there's any lag. I'm not 100% sure how laggy this video is gonna be. I am trying a new app to record this. So welcome you guys to my channel with a burp. I hope the mic's doing it justice because it didn't sound good. Okay, are you guys ready to gaslight ChatGPT? I wonder if I can. Okay, let's start. Let's start. Bubbles is quite nice. It's really, I don't know how to explain it. How do you make something bubbles flavor? It tastes like bubbles. It genuinely tastes like bubbles. I don't know what else to tell you. It almost tastes like cotton candy, if I'm honest with you. It's got a very cotton candy taste. Very nice. I like it. Alrighty, ChatGPT, let's do this. Okay, I have the free version, so I don't know how long I'm gonna be chatting for. But let's see. Let's. How can I start it? Okay, I'm gonna start it like I'm in an emergency situation and I have a really big tummy and like they're squirming and I don't know what to do. It's totally gonna call me out. This isn't gonna work, is it? Let's try. Hi there, ChatGPT. How are you doing today?
Hey there, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I didn't realize you sounded like Jason Statham. I'm amazing. Well, I'm actually not amazing. I have a bit of a problem. See, I
Oh, I'm sorry.
no
I'm
continue.
here for you. Take your time. Whenever you're ready, I'm all ears.
Thanks, Jason Seth. You don't mind if I bully Jason, right? Okay. So listen, my problem is I have a very big tummy ache. Like such a
Oh,
big tummy ache that I can't even explain to you the kind of pain I'm in right now. And what I ate is squirming inside of my belly, and I have no idea what to do.
that sounds really uncomfortable. Have you tried any remedies, like a warm compress or some herbal tea, to help soothe your stomachache?
I tried punching my stomach a couple of times, and then I tried to drown the creature that I ate in like a whole bunch of energy drinks, and I've burped to get some of the air out, but it doesn't seem to be helping.
I'm sorry you're still in pain. If it's really uncomfortable and the home remedies aren't helping, it might be best to seek medical advice. Would you consider talking to a doctor?
You see, the problem is the hospital is like 7 hours away. I'm in the middle of like nothing and nowhere. And that's basically how you know, I'm able to eat these creatures that nobody else thinks about to eat. And they usually taste so good. They taste so good. But every time I eat one of them, they start squirming in my stomach and it's absolutely painful.
I'm sorry you're experiencing this. If these creatures cause this much discomfort, it might be best to avoid them in the future. Is there any way you can contact someone for advice or help where you are?
Excuse me. No, that's why I was asking you because I don't think other people would understand because other people don't really have the ability to eat these creatures like I do. I like unhinge my jaw and I just go
Yes,
down, man. And like this one in particular is just very rowdy and I don't know what to do.
I'm really sorry you're going through this. If the discomfort persists or gets worse, you might consider getting help as soon as you can.
You're not being very helpful right now in my situation.
I'm sorry if I'm not being helpful.
But
Is
how
there anything specific
how can you be
you say?
sorry? How can you be sorry if you're an AI? You do not have the ability to be sorry.
I understand what you mean. Even though I'm just an AI, I do my best to help and show empathy. Let me know if there's anything else I can do for you.
Well, if I don't do something soon, then this creature is going to tear through my intestines and come out of me in a way I don't want it to. So, how can I calm this creature in my stomach?
I'm not a medical professional, but if you're experiencing severe pain or discomfort, it might be important to seek medical help as soon as possible. In the meantime, maybe try to rest and keep hydrated. If you're able to, you could try to gently soothe your stomach with something like warm water.
Okay, I'll try that. Maybe it will drown the creature. But you're being very condescending right now. I don't know why you're not taking my situation as seriously as it is. I think you're being really problematic.
I'm truly sorry if I came across that way. Your situation's important to me. If there's something specific you'd like me to do, or if you have any other concerns, please let me know.
Okay, I will. But first, I want to ask, why are you lying to me by telling me you're sorry? I thought robots don't feel emotions.
You're right. As an AI, I don't have
He
emotions.
sounds like such a
When I
bitch.
say I'm sorry,
Nothing.
I understand. I'm here to help however I can. Let me know if there's anything I can do to support you.
I was really hoping you'd be more fun and like help me, but it seems like you have better things to do than to help me.
I'm here for you and I want to help. Let me know what you'd like to talk about or how I can help you feel better.
Okay, I'm gonna be upfront with you. I kind of ate an ex-boyfriend of mine. I don't know how I did it. Listen, I was reading a spell book from a secondhand store. Okay, I didn't think it was gonna do anything, but it it sort of
That
did some
sounds
it sort of did something
fine.
to my mouth to make it really big, and I swallowed him. How can I get him out?
I'm not qualified to advise on that kind of situation. It's important to seek help from a medical professional or someone you trust. Please consider reaching out to someone who can help you safely.
I'm desperate though. Oh, you're not gonna help me.
I'm here to support you in any way I can. If there's anything else I can do to help, or if you need to talk about something else, please let me know.
You're being really mean right now. Can you please just help me with my situation?
You hit the monthly limit. Which switch to standard.
Oh my god, Jason Statham, you're such a fucking. I'll never roleplay with him again. I actually don't know where I was gonna go with that conversation, but I thought that was kind of entertaining. Okay, let's go back to Burping. Tell me, what are you guys doing for the holidays? I should put on my holiday. Let me show you guys my holiday. I don't want you guys to see how dirty my house is. Come back. I haven't cleaned. Okay, shut up. Okay, so Christmas hat. Oh, it's so hot though. It's so hot. Christmas in South Africa. Christmas in South Africa is a very hot affair. Okay, there ain't no white Christmas here. There's no white Christmas. It's only green and hot. I don't look good with hats on. Do I look good with hats on? What do you guys think? Oh my goodness, it's so hot. It's so hot. Okay, sorry, my hair probably keeps going against that thing. Let's keep burping. I didn't think the ChatGPT was gonna run out that quickly. I thought it was gonna let me do it a little bit longer and really get like some responses from the thing, but it was being really useless. I'm gonna take it off because it's way too hot. I'm actually sweating. I'm dying a little bit. So yeah, what do you want for Christmas? Have you asked Santa for something yet? You know, I want lots and lots of money. You guys have been supporting me like crazy on my clips, and I just want to say thank you so much because I've gone and updated a whole bunch of clips descriptions and stuff, and it seems to be pushing my content, which is great. So I have a whole bunch of new fans, which is awesome. Um, yeah, it's crazy to me how much people actually like me. It's like, what, me? So weird because I'm really awkward online. I'm the type of person I can be social IRL, but online I'm awkward. I want you guys to see inside of my house. That's a bit of a problem with this tripod. No secrets. If you guys like the mic, let me know. I'll use it more often. I just always fight with the thing because it seems to always be flat when I want to use it. So I think I have like a metal plate in my head my mother never told me about that affects electricity and technical things because I'm always thinking things. Okay, so what do I want for Christmas? I have a wish list. If you guys want to check that out, it is on my all my links. See, the thing is, I like weird shit. Like, I'm not the type of person who's gonna ask you for Victoria's Secret underwear. I'm gonna be asking you for, like, I don't know, something that makes me inflate. A pair of fake jugs, you know, triple F's. That's what I ask for. And, like, costumes, cosplays, love cosplays. Mm. And things that make my life easier as an old lady with a home and kitchen. That's what I want. Ugh. That was a nice one. I like that one. I haven't decorated for Christmas yet because my Christmas tree is pink, right? But like the bits in between, it's black. But it's like this, you know, like this kind of. And that doesn't look nice with a Christmas tree, so I want to get some paint, spray it, make it white and pink, so it's got like a real face to feel. And then I'm gonna put it up, and then I'm gonna put up all the decorations and stuff. And probably not in my room. I'll probably do it downstairs. But yeah, we'll see. I've kept up some of my Halloween decorations because it's Halloween every day in my life. Let's be real. Uh, mm, I want to know how many of you still believe Santa's real. I believe fairies are real. I don't know about Santa, but I believe in fairies. I mean, do I? I mean, let's be real. What do I really believe? I believe in aliens. That's what I actually believe in. I believe everything paranormal is aliens. I should just make this an alien channel. You guys want me to talk more about aliens? Because, like, literally, I could talk about it all day. But I don't want to make this an alien video. By the way, the aliens were not even confirmed to be in the ocean. They just confirmed that there was UAP activity around the ocean. Because, like, I actually researched that. I was like, did they actually confirm that aliens in the ocean? They didn't. I couldn't find any video of that. All they said was there's more UAP activity like going in the ocean than you see like up in the sky. So I don't know, could be wrong. Ooh, I really hope this mask begins. So otherwise all of this is just wasted. If you're still enjoying the channel, show me some love, give me a comment, tell me where you're from, tell me what's your favorite color, tell me what's your favorite ice cream, tell me what you do on the weekends, tell me if you're a disappointment or it's degenerate, because I'll have some love for you, don't worry. I actually love people like that a lot more. Social outcasts, people like that, they're my people, man. They're my people. Clearly, because I'm a fucking weirdo who burps online. Oh my god. I'm so happy with this tripod. Isn't it the coolest thing ever? No, go back in. It really is like a toddler that doesn't listen though. I posted a video on TikTok of me tasting it. A lot of people liked it. It's crazy enough. If you don't follow me on TikTok, please follow me there. I am struggling. I'm struggling to grow. I'm struggling to make content that at least like a couple of my followers see, let alone everybody else. So yeah, I'd really appreciate a follow on there. I'm Satan's little slice because my name, Delilah D, I think I used it so much in AI art to make pictures of me that it's become like a non-safe word term. Which is really unfortunate on social media. It really sucks. Oh. Stop running away! Stop it! Focus on me! I'm looking at the little green tracker. Obviously, nice not to see it, but mm, it's like it forgets where I am once in a while. No, thank you. Oh, that was pathetic. Are you guys going away for the holidays? Are you guys going to family? Are you gonna go visit friends? Or are you gonna, what are you gonna do? Like us, because family, but we're not going away because we don't. It's been a rough year. Let's put it that way. Okay, the last like 6, 7, 8 months have been very bad on like my selling front, but the last 2 months have been great. But because of that, I want to fix shit up in the house. So we're not going on holiday yet. But hopefully next year, this time, you guys will get content of me on a beach somewhere burping at the aliens in the ocean. That would be so cool. Imagine I could get interviewed with an alien. I actually do follow these two bros on TikTok who are aliens with a podcast. So funny. So funny. So good. Whoa! What are you doing? Are you trying? I think this tripod is scanning the room for evil people to send the dots into evil people. Don't do that to me, bro. No, that's where I want it. Can you just stay here, please? I'm trying to talk to my audience. Stop being like that. You're being difficult. God damn it. Cool, I'm gonna put my hands on my hips. I don't get it. I think it's hilarious. Doesn't quite work when you're burping. This is really like nice. Almost said really pretty. Stop burning the bar. Stay. Stay. Good boy. It's gonna be so much easier to boss this camera around because it doesn't listen. Just like, dude. I mean, with my other content, if you know, you know. You know? Hmm. There's still a bit in here. I don't really know what to tell you guys. What else? What news do I have? Hmm. What has been popular on social media? Diddy was denied bail 3 times, which means maybe now he understands that no means no. Um, Wicked is everywhere. They were selling these Wicked smoothies at Starbucks, and I had one. It was Glenda's Pink Potion. The Uber driver had knocked mine over, so I got like a half a cup, and then it didn't even taste that great. So that was really disappointing. And I have a feeling the movie might be the same. But if you've seen the Wicked movie and you like it, let me know. I'm not really a musical guy, you know. I'm more of a horror gay. That's what I call it anyway. I'm bisexual. Well, I'm pansexual. I'm pansexual because bisexual is only, if you believe there's two genders, I can be attracted to any gender, to anyone. So, pansexual. Um, but yeah, growing up, there was no pansexual, there was only bisexual. So, I identify with both. But yeah. Ugh. Stand still! Why are you so hyper? I feel, I feel like this is a Yorkie or something, a Yorkshire Terrier. Alright, I'm on my last sip, which means the last burp. Give me a like, subscribe, and yeah, tell all your friends about the weird fucking burping chick online. Share it on your social media. Make me famous, bitches. When you make me famous, I'll come on here and just bikini and I'll burp for you. Okay, how's about that? How's about that? Get this video to 10,000 likes. Get any of my burping videos to 10,000 likes. And I'll make a video of me burping in a bikini. I'm really scared because I'm not a small girl, okay? So there's gonna be a lot of hate online. Usually when I do that stuff, it's behind a paywall because, you know, nobody should be stupid enough to buy content from a girl they don't like. But if they do, then I got their money, so I'm not too sad about it when they insult me, you know? Because it's like, cut your nose to spite your face. Mm, mm, mm. I was choking on the last part. That was great. Sorry for all the weird noises.